Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Reddit on mobile. First, download the official Reddit app from your device's app store. Once installed, you can easily create a new account or log in if you already have one. This gets you ready to explore the vast world of Reddit, starting with your personalized home feed. Navigating the Reddit app is straightforward. The bottom navigation bar is your main control center, offering quick access to your home feed, communities, and messages. Tapping the home icon always brings you back to your personalized stream of content. You can also use the search bar to find specific subreddits or topics of interest. Interacting with content on Reddit is simple and engaging. You can upvote posts and comments you like, or downvote those you find irrelevant. To join a conversation, just tap the comment icon and type your thoughts. Don't forget you can also save interesting posts to revisit them whenever you wish. To truly experience Reddit, join communities that align with your interests. Once you're a member, you can create your own posts, sharing links, images, or text with others. This allows you to contribute to discussions and connect with people who share your passions, making your Reddit experience unique.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.